Hey guys, in Shona we say Murisei. Welcome to Shona Land, and in today's video we'll be teaching you how to use the word how and how much in Shona sentences. Stay tuned. We are going to start with the word how, and how is usually used in relation to the manner in which things went or things happened or things are done. So the Shona translation of the word how is sei. 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 Let's do some example sentences. How about tomorrow? In Shona, mangwana ari sei. Mangwana ari sei. Tomorrow in Shona it's mangwana. And about in this contextual meaning is translated to ari. There are some sentences in which about is used in a different manner, but in this particular case, about becomes ari. So mangwana ari sei. Mangwana ari sei. Next example, how did it go? How did it go? In Shona, zvakafamba sei. Zvakafamba sei. I understand this word is a bit difficult to pronounce, but it's zvakafamba sei. Zvakafamba sei. How did it go? Okay, next example. How are you? In Shona, uri sei. Uri sei. Are you, in this case, is basically replaced by uri, like you're pointing, you're referring to someone specifically. Uri sei. Uri sei. So now we're gonna go to how much, and how much is used when you're referring to price, or how much something is priced. So it's all about pricing. So how much, when you convert it to Shona, or when you translate it to Shona, it becomes marii. Marii. Okay, so let's do some example sentences. How much is bread? So this one becomes chingwa. Imari. Bread in Shona it's chingwa. How much? It's mari. So usually when you have a sentence where you have this word is, where you have how much and is will be pointing to whatever the thing that is being asked the price for. You put the prefix e, which is from the Shona vowels, or I if you're pronouncing it in English, but in Shona it's e. So you put this in front because you're pointing to that bread in that sentence. So the sentence, that's why the sentence became chingwa. Imari. How much is bread? Chingwa. Imari. We're gonna do more examples where we do not have is, and you will see how the translation will become. So in this case, this is causing us to put this prefix e in front of the word mari, which is the translation of how much. So how much is bread becomes chingwa. Imari. Then, okay, let's do another example. How much is a plate of rice? Again, we do have our is here, which is pointing to the plate of rice. So when we translate this one, it becomes ndiro yemupunga. Imari. Ndiro yemupunga. Imari. So plate in Shona it's ndiro. Rice in Shona becomes mupunga. Mupunga. So now of rice That's why we have got this ye. Ye, we are saying of rice, so it becomes like one word. Of rice becomes ye mupunga. Ye mupunga. Rice alone, it's mupunga. Of rice becomes ye mupunga. So plate, it's ndiro. Of rice, it's ye mupunga. So how much is a plate of rice? Ndiro ye mupunga. Imari. Remember our E, our I here in Shona, it's E. Imari is, we are pointing to whatever that thing that is being priced or that we are asking for the price is. So let's do an example where we do not put this prefix E in front of Marie. How much are you willing to pay? When we translate this to Shona, urikuda kubadara Marie. Urikuda kubadara Marie. In this case, we are not really pointing at the thing that we are talking about the price for. That's why we did not put that prefix E in front of Marie. So in this case, we're just putting Marie as it is because we do not have any E's that is pointing to whatever the product is or whatever the thing that we're talking about the pricing for. So I hope you understand that. We're going to do another example of this format as well. So how much are you willing to pay? Urikuda kubadara Marie. Urikuda kubadara Marie. So we can basically say, are you willing to pay? It's urikuda kubadara. Are you willing to pay? It becomes these two words. Urikuda kubadara. Okay? I hope that's clear. Urikuda kubadara Marie. Okay. Another example. How much did you pay? When we translate it, wakabadara Marie. So to pay in Shona, it's kubadara. Kubadara. But when it's did you pay, it becomes waka badara. It becomes waka badara. So how much did you pay? Waka badara Marie. In this case, you see as well, we're not pointing to something specifically. So that's why in this case we did not put that E, that prefix E in front of Marie, because we're not pointing to something specifically. Wakabadara Marie. This brings us to the end of this video, and thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and to leave a comment and let us know what you think about our videos. Thank you so much for the love of Shona. See you in the next one. Ndatenda.